everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today you are going to learn how to close your account on fidelity.com. So please watch until the end to properly understand the tutorial. Currently, the only method available to close a Fidelity account is to call a Fidelity representative. Brokerage or cash management account with a zero balance can also be closed through the virtual assistant, but in most cases, you will need to call. To find the right number, go to the Contact Us section on Fidelity website. There you will see the main phone number you can use, and if needed, you can click on View All Phones to see numbers for other departments. In this case, however, the regular phone number should work to help you close your Fidelity account. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.